In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Buy Now button to your Facebook Marketplace listings. With online shopping becoming a major part of our lives, having a streamlined process is crucial for both sellers and buyers. The Buy Now button simplifies transactions, allowing potential customers to purchase items instantly, boosting your sales and making the buying experience seamless. First, ensure you're logged into your Facebook account. Navigate to Facebook Marketplace, which you can usually find on the left-hand side of your news feed. This is your hub for buying and selling, a digital marketplace brimming with opportunities. Once there, look for the Sell button, which is usually highlighted to capture your attention. Click on it to begin crafting your marketplace listing. Make sure to provide a detailed description of the item you're selling. Be thorough and embellish with clear, engaging language, capturing all the necessary details a potential buyer might be interested in. After that, you'll want to upload high-quality photos of your item. Good visuals play a pivotal role in attracting buyers, so take photos that show your item from different angles and in good lighting. After your item description and photos are set, you'll enter the pricing section. Here, choose a competitive price based on market research. It's crucial to be fair yet beneficial to ensure your items move fast. With your pricing decision made, it's time to select Add Checkout. This step integrates the Buy Now button onto your listing. Facebook enables this feature with limited payment methods, which may include Facebook Pay or other third-party platforms, but keeping it simple and secure is key. Follow the prompts to link your preferred payment method. This process may ask for additional banking information, so have that ready. Once your payment method is successfully linked, you can finalize your listing with the Buy Now option active. Before pressing Publish, review your listing to make sure everything looks perfect. Double-check for spelling errors or any missing angles in your photos. Once you've refined your listing, confidently hit Publish. Your product is now live with a Buy Now button, making impulse purchases convenient and straightforward for potential buyers. By adding this feature, you've improved the entire shopping experience for your audience, making your items more appealing through immediate purchase capability. It's this kind of accessibility that often leads to a quicker turnover, which could be crucial for time-sensitive listings. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Buy Now button to your Facebook Marketplace listing, transforming your selling strategy into one that is efficient, buyer-friendly, and forward-thinking. Remember, as always, to keep engaging with your listings by monitoring interested buyers, promptly responding to inquiries, and considering feedback for future listings. This will not only improve your engagement but possibly your sales as well. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials that elevate your online selling game. Until next time, happy selling!